And my socks is dirty. It's very dirty. Yes, I'm at work. Uy, you're at work now? Ooh. And I just get up. I just, you know, I sleep late. You want to sniff my socks? You want to sniff my socks? Look ah. You want to sniff it? La, 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 la. Happy December 1, guys. Oh my God. What? You know, Han, you know that was my birthday last Sunday. I was live here, but I don't see you. And then here is my decoration 45. I'm 45. Happy December 1, guys. Wait, I'm gonna look. I cannot see good now. So I'm gonna open some mountain. I will be home in 2 hours. Ah, yeah, okay. 2 hours. Bye bye. Well, we're gonna close the door. Ooh, the one way ticket to la, 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 la. It's over. And never coming back. Get a one-way ticket to the blue. Yes, I will be live later, back later. Okay? Or then I will upload some channel members video, maybe foot spa or wiggle wiggle, wiggle wiggle. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Han. And ooh, get a one-way ticket. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You get a